What's up guys? Today we're going to talk about the most time-consuming setup that we did in this series, the opening shot for Westworld. What's interesting about this shot is that even though the location is quite simple, through the use of this very interesting lighting design, they are able to give the shot a very futuristic feeling, which is right in line with the premise of Westworld. Now I want to break down the shot into its different elements. At the beginning of the shot, there is a light from behind the actress that is leaving her face in the shadow. Then one by one, the lights in the background start to turn on as the camera slowly dollies in. And finally, her face is revealed when the circular light above her turns on. Because of our budget, we knew that we wouldn't be able to recreate the ceiling from the original shot, and so we had to get creative. Let's take a look at what we did. In the studio we were filming, there was a large truss that we could lower, and this worked perfectly because it both added visual interest to the shot and it also served as a very practical way to mount our lights. For the carpet under our actress, we used a piece of black fabric that was just laying around in the studio. During the pre-production, Joseph and I discussed what we were going to do about the ring lights. Because of the budget, he was only able to purchase one circular chandelier. For the two in the background, he used a circular frame that he attached a strip of LED lights to. Since these two lights were in the background, we didn't worry as much about the look. We also rigged 12 pop tubes of different sizes at different places on the truss to try and recreate the practicals in the original shot. A Forza 300 with a lantern softbox from above was the rim light for the talent, and then the circular chandelier became the key light for the shot once it turned on. We used a total of 16 lights to recreate this shot.
It feels like a party house.
For the close-up shot, we slightly adjusted the position of our talent so that we could still get the light tubes in the background as nice practicals adding depth to the shot. We also used a mix panel 150 through an 8x8 layer of silk. And on the opposite side, we used the Pablo tube set to an aqua color to match the original look of the shot. Anyways, let's take a look at the final result.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Cut! Can we see the playback?
The floor in our shot was a little bit too white. If I had more budget, I would have painted the floors a slightly darker color to bring the overall brightness levels of the image down. If you like the setup of this shot, make sure to leave a comment below with the hashtag #ringlight, or let us know what you would have done differently. And as always, here comes the customary: subscribe to the channel, leave us a like, and may the Forza be with you.